Your new car looks sharp. But it won't be long before time and the elements take their toll on your ride's paint job. Ceramic coating can preserve your car's paint job and keep it looking good longer. Which ceramic coating offers the longest and most dependable protection? With that being said, stay tuned as we bring you our top 5 best ceramic coating for cars available in the market. Why they need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we'll relay all of these items for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products mentioned in our videos, you can check the link in the description below. And now let's start. Starting at number 5 is the CarGuys Hybrid Wax Sealant. No matter how much you wipe, the ceramic coating can leave streaks. CarGuys solves this problem with its no-streak hybrid wax sealant. What's in the bottle? Liquid carnauba. This ingredient gives you the shine you want, but with no residue. The best way to test it is to apply some coating to any plastic or rubber area of your vehicle. Take your towel and wipe it off. You will notice that the area did not turn white. CarGuys sealant is safe enough to put on any surface. It will preserve your car's original look with no change in color or texture. That's why it's our top pick for a streak-free ceramic coating. Some of the key features are: made with advanced science, stake-free and safe for every surface, brilliant show car shine, latest advancements in science. At number 4 is the Nanobond ceramic coating. Car coating typically lasts 1 to 2 years. Nanobond Pro ceramic coating adds another year of coverage, giving your car up to 3 years of protection. It provides superior strength and durability to protect your car from scratches, chips, dust, acid rain, paint transfer, rust, fading, the list goes on. Nanobond coating causes water to bead up and run off the surface with no resistance. It features 9H hardness, 30 micrometers thickness, and a high gloss finish. It can also withstand heat up to 760 degrees. It comes in a 30 ml bottle. Some of the key features are: new formula with over 80% pure CO2 content. Nanobond Ceramic Coating Pro. Super hydrophobic. Easy to apply. So what do you think of our first 2 choices? Well, we have more to come, but before we proceed, would like to take the opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to our channel and then click the bell icon to be notified of our upcoming videos. And now let's continue. At number 3 is the CarPro Cquartz ceramic coating. CarPro assembled a handy cleaning kit for their CarPro Cquartz ceramic coating. You get a 50 ml bottle, applicator, and 5 suede microfiber cloths. CarPro is often used by professionals to shine cars in dealerships, car shows, and displays. It contains self-cleaning properties that help it retain its look for a long time. The ceramic cleaner contains 70% quartz, which gives it 99.9% purity. This makes it resistant to some of the harshest substances and elements, including extreme temperatures, bird droppings, UV rays, moisture, oils, dirt, and chemicals. It also protects your car from marring, which can happen when you wash the car. Some of the key features are: professional ceramic coating, 70% quartz with 99.9% purity, nanotechnology coating, extremely durable. We always look forward to seeing what you think, so don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. And now let's check out our last 2 products. At number 2 is the Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat ceramic coating has an advanced 3-in-1 formula combined in a handy spray applicator. The hydrophobic spray can add a solid coat and shine to your car without the need for water. Shine Armor is known for its ability to do the job without any streaks, smears, or scratches. So, you don't have to worry about it hurting your car's surface. Furthermore, you can use also Shine Armor to remove dirt, grime, and grease from the paint job. The spray wax is ideal for cars, motorbikes, RVs, semi-trucks, sedans, and SUVs. The blend of surfactants and CO2 coating offers the perfect balance of tough cleansing and gentle application. Just make sure you give your car a good washing before applying the coating. Some of the key features are: advanced 3-in-1 formula. No streaking, smearing, or scratching. Cuts dirt, grime, and grease. Safe for all surfaces. And now Sonax 236941 is our top recommended ceramic coating. If you're applying a ceramic coating for the first time, Sonax ceramic coating makes it easy. The coating has been formulated to provide a gloss effect and long-lasting protection without all the effort. You don't have to purchase additional cleaning equipment or have any particular skill set to apply Sonax. Sonax ceramic coating will give your car a continuous shine and protection. It shields the vehicle's surface from UV light, rain, extreme temperatures, and even chemicals. It also provides the ultimate defense against tar, salt, and other harsh substances. Sonax claims that the protection lasts up to 1 year. Some of the key features are: easy to apply, pro-grade ceramic kit, durable 9H ceramic quartz protection, 3D structured high gloss coating. And there you have it, the top 5 best ceramic coating for cars out there. Whichever one you choose to get based on your needs and preferences. We hope you found our list helpful. If you can't something you like, just check out the link in the description box to catch that item at its best offer. Also, let us know if there's a product you have in mind that you'd like to see in an upcoming video. Write your comments and suggestions and our research team will get to work to give you a fair and square product review.